Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to do awesome YouTube thumbnail images like the one you can see on the screen. So we're going to do that using the website canva.com. Yeah, and then we're going to search for YouTube thumbnail. You just glance through on the website and we are going to search for YouTube. So you can see here YouTube thumbnail. You click on it. It already has it's going to take time depending on your internet connection. It already has the appropriate thumbnail sizes required by YouTube. So that's why it's the best option. You don't need to worry about dimensions. You just edit it and put it on your, save it on your local machine and use it as a thumbnail for your YouTube video. So we're going to do a thumbnail about let's say editing photos with mobile phones. So we're going to search for a mobile phone. Let's go to elements. We can search for a mobile phone. Let me type phone, for example. It's going to propose phones, and make sure you use free images because you have to pay if you take ones that are not free. Let me just use this one and put by the side, something like that. And now we're going to go to text and choose a font that suits us. Let me pick this one, maybe the one down. It's cleaner, and I can just change and put my awesome text. How to edit photos with mobile phones, and this one will not be necessary for me, so I can delete, and I can just make the text bigger so that our thumbnail is going to be more visible. So that's all about it. I can search another element just to make it good. In fact, let me change the image. I can delete this one and pick this one. This one looks more attractive. You see, this can make a good thumbnail video. So I just wanted to show you the basics. You can do what you want. Now we'll go to download. You can see on the top right corner of the screen, download, and I can save it using a PNG or JPEG. So let's just leave it, just take the default, and I click on download, and it's preparing your design. I can close this window. Oh, well. So it's going to go to your machine. Let me put it on my desktop, and I can name it edit thumbnail and save it. So I just go to my desktop to be sure that it's there. In fact, let me go through the folder. And this is your thumbnail. Very professional, very simple. It does the job. The message and the image make sense. Probably maybe I could take another one that doesn't have Instagram on the screen, but I just wanted to show you the basics, and that's how you can do it to get awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos. I hope this has been informative, and see you on another video for another awesome tutorial.